Imagine starting your day with 150 100 emails. Let Claude summarize your inbox, search your Google Drive, and find the answers you need instantly. Everyone, welcome to Digital Tech Join. I've been using ChatGPT or Gemini, and you're probably wondering whether Claude is worth trying. The answer is definitely yes, especially if you work with a lot of emails, documents, PDFs, and Google Workspace. Claude isn't just another chatbot. It is much more powerful when you connect it with your everyday tools like Gmail and Google Drive. In this video, I'll show you what Cloud is, the different integration available, how to connect with Gmail, how to connect with Google Drive, practical prompts you can use every day to save your time. So before we jump into the demo, let's quickly look at Cloud's integration. So I'll just open my browser and we will type in Claude AI. And here you can see the interface similar to ChatGPT. And now here you can see, I'll just click on the extensions over here. So you can see the options over here, which says the extensions. So I'm just going to click on that. And here you can see the extensions that are available in Claude. Now here we have Gmail. So what does Gmail do? So basically Claude can summarize your 100 emails, identify messages that needs your attention, find invoices, locate attachments, and even create a task list from your inbox. Then we have Google Drive. We can also connect our Google Drive. And what does connecting Google Drive give you the opportunity? Basically, once you connect to your drive, you can search your documents across your drive, summarize long documents, compare versions, and answer questions using your own files. Then we have desktop app that is called, basically desktop or co-work. So basically, we can use that lets you to work directly with your files stored on your computer. Simply drag and drop documents, images, and PDF and ask questions without uploading them elsewhere. Then we do have also Microsoft 365, and it helps you to analyze spreadsheet, identify trends, explain formula, summarize financial data, and generate insights from large data set. It can also connect to your calendar. So basically, it can understand your upcoming meetings, summarize your schedule, and help you prepare for important appointments. Cloud can also connect to your GitHub, and that is basically Cloud Code, which will help you to summarize, organize your conversation, documents, knowledge into dedicated workspace, making it easier to manage ongoing work. It can also analyze your code and extract key information like project architect, your database design, your structure, and everything. And obviously, it includes your MCP, which is a model context protocol, and it's the most exciting capability. It supports for, basically, it can securely connect to your external tools, services, making it possible to interact with business systems, database, APIs, custom application through a standard protocol. And in this today's tutorial, we will show you how you can connect your Gmail and Google Drive and use certain prompts that can make your everyday tasks simpler. So let me just show you how you can connect your Google Drive and Gmail. So here you can see on your extreme left bottom where the profile is, I'm going to click on settings, and inside settings you can see connectors over here. Click on connectors, and here you can see I am getting an option to connect my Gmail and Drive. Okay, so here I'm going to connect my Gmail first. I'll click on Gmail, and once I click on Gmail, there will be an OAuth authentication, and here I'll select my account, that is digitaltechjoin@gmail.com. It will prompt me, it will basically ask for permission, so which I'll go ahead and grant it. And once I do that, it will give me an options like it will take my suggestion, or it will ask me to whether which access do you want, whether you want your mails to be read and manage those drafts, everything, read, compose, send email also. So I select all the options right now, and I give the permission to Claude to access my complete Gmail. So once I click on continue, here you can see authentication is completed. Here you can see the status is ticked. Now my interface, that is my cloud application, is reading my mail and is capable to read my mail. So the prompts that I'm going to enter right now will actually fetch in. You can see it is also displayed over here. the option, the tool is also have been added in the list. So now that we have Gmail connected with our cloud environment, let's go ahead and enter certain prompt and see how effectively it will fetch your emails and summarize the data. So the first prompt that I'm going to type is all summarize all the unread email for today. So if you notice, it is now going to connect Gmail and fetch you. So searches all the email inbox for today, that is 18th July. As you can see, it says that I have here is what unread for today. It's a Google Security, Microsoft Reward, Azure Monitor Tools. So nothing urgent or person, mostly automated security notification. It's also identified the nature of the email. Now let's go ahead and say summarize all unread emails. Okay, so this is already done. Sorry, so let me go ahead and prompt find find all emails having the word Azure. So now it is doing a search within my inbox with Azure, and I'm sure there are a lot of emails that I have received with the word Azure. So you can see I found roughly around 200 emails matching Azure. Okay, so let me do that. Uh, Summarize all emails received in past 1 week having the word Azure. So it says that it has found 5 threads, and this says that it has 3 emails with Azure with a subject line and some short description. So I can also go ahead and say find emails having invoice attached. So found 16 threads matching invoice with attachment. So here I can see there are some attachments like it can be invoice, or simply I can also type in summarize emails where Azure has sent me invoice. Okay, so this is something that I want to know how many invoice Azure has sent me. So here you can see it is summarized it. Okay, so this beautiful summarization. So just imagine if you are going into the inbox and finding the information, Claude is able to fetch all this and summarize all these emails in seconds. That's such a huge productivity, and you can save a lot of your time searching for emails from your inbox. So now this was a demo where we connected our Gmail and we showed you how you can use prompts and summarize your email data. Now let's go ahead and connect our Google Drive. So I'll go back to my settings here and I'll click on connectors. And this time I'm going to connect Google Drive. So this is my account. I click on Google Drive. That is Digital Tech Join, and then at Gmail. I click on continue. I give it the permission that is required. I click on continue. Authentication complete. And now you can see the tick box is also displayed against the drive. I close this and I should be able to see the drive as well over here. You can see Google Drive is also there. So now let me go ahead and also do some prompt, enter some prompt related to my Gmail account. So I'll say what documents are available in my Google Drive. Okay, so let me just allow it. So now you can see it is list down all the documents that are available. So these are the documents that are available in my Google Drive, and I can go ahead and further summarize the document as well. So there is a proposal, that is a project proposal on CRM. So let me type in summarize CRM project proposal. So now this time it will go fetch the document and also read the content of the document and it will summarize you the content of the CRM project proposal. Here you can see that's one of the things that you can do. And it can also search your source code. So I have certain source code that I shared with my subscriber. Search for source code in my drive. So now this will search for all the source code that's available. So this might take some time. Maybe the command is I could have, but still it is able to find the data in seconds. Here you can see I found two folders named source code. So it has searched for source code files. And in fact, inside this folder, introduction to ASP.NET Razor pages, I can also command Claude to summarize the code, the source, summarize the project in my source code folder. So basis my prompt based on what information is there in your introduction to ASP.NET pages. Here is the project online invoicing. So this is what it is, and it is given the tech stack as well. It is developed in .NET 6. This is a very old project that I developed, and it also gives you the project structure over here, the files, and this is how it is able to fetch you all the code information as well once you're connected to the drive. So not just the files, but also inside the content of the files is able to summarize it. With this, complete a tutorial on connecting Cloud with your Gmail and Google Drive. And Cloud becomes much more powerful when connected to tools you already use every day. So instead of manually searching through your emails and documents, you can simply ask questions in plain English and get your answers in seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Digital Tech Joy. And in my next video tutorial, I'll show you how to connect to your GitHub repository and fetch stunning insights on your code base. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.